The beautiful San Francisco Bay Area. Imagine this entire area flooded by a rise in sea level. As the world continues to warm from climate change, oceans will rise up to 8 inches in the next 20 years, 19 inches by 2050, and up to 4 feet by 2100. There is an estimate that a mere 1.4 meter sea level rise will accelerate erosion, resulting in a tragic loss of 41 square miles of California's coast by 2100. If the San Francisco sea level rises and the prediction of the 100-year flood event comes true, nearly 34 police and fire stations, 55 healthcare facilities, and 140 schools will be at risk of being flooded. That is an estimate of over $100 billion worth of property. One part of the problem? Glaciers. Researchers have examined aerial photos of Arctic glaciers from the 1970s to 2009 and detected over 30% loss of glacier surface area. Due to human activities that increase the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, the melting of glaciers has been accelerating. We have already seen sea level rise by 8 inches since 1880. By 2050, it will likely rise by another 6 to 16 inches. As sea levels continue to rise, we will see disastrous economic and environmental effects such as flooding, erosion, and powerful storms, which could displace millions of people and billions of species. The glacier's white surfaces reflect the sun's rays, helping to keep our current climate mild. When glaciers melt, darker, exposed surfaces absorb and release heat, raising temperatures. Within the past 200 years or so, human activity has increased the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere by 40%, and other gases, such as methane, by a factor of 2 to 3 or more. Our climate stability depends on glaciers.
What can we do to help stop this problem?
There are indeed many things that any person can do to help. Turn off lights when they are not in use. Hang laundry out to dry. Unplug electronics when they are not being used. And educate others about this issue. These seemingly little things make a big impact if they are done on a large scale, and they'll go a long way toward reducing our carbon footprint and saving the glaciers. We, collectively, can make a difference in fighting the global problem.